The JVSU Career Center is excited to offer the Job Fit, or otherwise known as JOFI workshop, to alumni, prospective, and current adult learners who are looking for a robust career assessment. The JOFI is a trait-based career assessment that provides individuals with job fit categories and career options that match their personality and skills. We are offering this workshop in partnership with Julie and Liz from JLHR Consulting. Our main website, found on the JVSU Alumni Career Resources page, provides some basic information about the workshops, including costs and days and times the workshops are offered. Utilizing this resource is easy and can be split up into 3 parts. First, you will register and take the assessments. Second, you will view your assessment results in the form of a job fit report and a personalized career navigation website. And finally, you will attend the 2 1.5-hour-long virtual workshops to be guided through your assessment report and start making an action plan. Let's take a further look at each one of these steps. First, you will register for the assessment using the link on our website shown on the left-hand side of the screen. This will take you to the JLHR Consulting website and complete your registration and payment process there. From there, you will receive an email with the assessment link and confirmation of the days and times you will attend the virtual workshops. Once you complete the assessment, you will receive a job fit report, which includes your career interest profile and personality trait results. You'll notice a sample on the page here, and the full report is a total of 15 pages. Julie and Liz will go into detail with you during the workshops to help you understand the nuances of your report and help you understand how it applies to your job fit categories. On the right, you will see a sample of a job fit category from your personalized career navigation website. This contains helpful career information, including salary, links to learn more, as well as your career interest profile matched to that specific job. You can also enter your zip code into the website to view job postings from this field in your area. Finally, you will attend the live virtual workshops to better understand your results and begin to make a plan. This is a great opportunity to ask questions and work with 2 fantastic career coaches to begin putting everything together. If you're unsure about the direction of your career or looking to change career paths and industries, we can't recommend the JOFI assessment and workshop more. We hope you take advantage of this great resource.